In this video, we are going to talk about the Clever token and a new cycle introduced by the Clever token, which I am going to share with you in this video. And also we are going to check out the entire white paper of this token. And also I will tell you that either is it worthy for you to buy this token or not. So if you want to know all the things about the new cycle and also about the Clever token, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
As the demand of DeFi tokens are at the boom and people love to buy DeFi tokens, here you can see the entire chart of the DeFi tokens on the CoinGecko, and also number of tokens are available which are entirely DeFi tokens. And all you know that DeFi has created a suite of highly demanded tokens within the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem, and decentralized finance, it means the DeFi tokens will be huge in 2021. So that's why I take a new project for you, the Clever token, which I am going to share with you in this video. Clever is a DeFi decentralized finance protocol which distributes the automatic interest payments to all the CLVA token holders on a pre-programmed routine cycle schedule over 888 fortnightly cycles, taking exactly 34.15 years to complete. First of all, if you want to know all the things and also about all the updates, simply you have to enter your name, email address, and then click on the notify me, so easily you can get all the updates on the Clever project. Now we are going to discuss about the features of the CLVA, which are entirely unique and mouth-watering for any trader. The first one is automatic payments. It means all the payments are 100% automatic and decentralized on chain with no requirement for the user intervention. Secondly, every wallet will earn up to 11% with compound interest to CLVA token holders after every 14 days, like regular clockwork distribution of newly minted CLVA is awarded. Clever is a DeFi protocol with an automatic cycle schedule hard-coded into the smart contract itself. It means that you don't have to worry about the security on the Clever protocol. Smart contracts are fully verified and Clever protocol audited by the block hunters. Every CLVA requires the minting by a user, and as such the Clever DeFi team owns no supply. As I told you, it's 100% decentralized. So here you can see how much you can earn with the help of Clever tokens. Now in the easy words, I will tell you simple story about the Clever DeFi protocol. For example, if you are going to buy the Clever DeFi token CLVA, you don't have to stake anything, you don't have to go anywhere. Simply you can hold the tokens in your personal wallet, and every 14 days you will be able to get some good amount of CLVA tokens directly from the team. No need to do anything. The basic point of view of this team, that you don't have to do anything, you don't have to stake, you don't have to go to the Uniswap for the the Uni V2LP tokens. No need to do all these things. Simply you have to hold your tokens in your personal wallet and you will be able to get some more CLVA tokens. So it means it is like a fixed deposit. For example, at this time, if you are going to buy any token directly from the market, they are not going to give you more tokens. You just have to hold those tokens in your wallet. But with the Clever DeFi token, simply if you are going to buy the token and holding the token in your personal wallet, definitely you will get some more CLVA tokens every 14 days. So it's a great thing, especially for the traders, that the tokens will work for you and they will pay you every 14 days. Now some entirely important things, that is about the security. The Clever DeFi CLVA is a DeFi decentralized finance protocol with its value derived from its DDM, decentralized distribution mechanism, which is embedded within the smart contract itself. Clever is deployed on the Ethereum network as an ERC20 smart contract written in Solidity with the DDM structure purely defined and hard-coded into the smart contract itself that cannot be changed after it has been deployed, because the DDM has a specific rules already coded within it that cannot be rewritten and also not be audited. So it's a great thing that every time you are getting the profit, that will not be changed. So here you can see the entire rates of the minting of the CLVA. So right now I'm going to give you my own advice. For example, as I told you that if you are holding any token and that token is not going to pay you, but this token Clever is going to pay you on every holding. So definitely about the price will also grow, and secondly you don't have to do anything. Simply you can purchase the Clever DeFi token, and also you can follow them on all the social media because the team is available for you 24/7 over there. But my own advice is this, that you must have to check out the entire website and also the white paper. I will share the link in the description. And in last but not the least, I'm not a financial advisor. You must have to read all the things before entering into any project. But this project seems, and also the whole website is showing this thing, that the team is entirely devoted on the project, and definitely you will see a huge plunge in the price of this token when it will be live. And secondly, you can also check that it will be at least I'm not saying the first one, but at least in the first 10 best DeFi tokens very soon. So you must have to check out all the things if you are going to buy this token. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.